Hey there, Pinterest enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make social media woes a thing of the past. Today, we're diving into a super common issue: fixing a merchant's broken link on Pinterest in 2025. If you've ever clicked on a pin only to hit a dead end, don't worry, this quick tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, why does this happen? Broken links often occur when a merchant updates their website, changes product URLs, or if there's an error in the pin itself. The good news is, Pinterest has rolled out some handy tools in 2025 to make fixes easier, like improved link diagnostics. So, grab your device and let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Pinterest account and navigate to the pin with the broken link. You can search for it in your profile or boards. Once you find it, click the three dots in the corner and select Edit Pin. This is your gateway to making changes. Step 2. In the Edit section, look for the link field. Double-check the URL to ensure it's correct. If it's outdated, update it with the new one from the merchant's site. Pro tip: always copy the link directly from the source to avoid typos. Step 3. After updating, hit Save, and then test the link right away. Pinterest's 2025 update includes a preview feature. Click it to see if the page loads properly. If it doesn't, you might need to remove and repin the content. Step 4. To prevent future issues, use Pinterest's link validation tool, which is now more advanced. It scans for potential breaks before you publish. Also, regularly audit your pins, especially if you're a merchant. And there you have it. Your broken link is fixed and ready to drive traffic. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.